Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about options trading and the big question, what's the difference between buying an option and selling an option? Let's keep it super simple. First, what is an option? An option is a contract that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a specific price, called the strike price, before a certain date. A call option is a contract that lets you buy the stock at a set price. A put option is a contract that lets you sell the stock at a set price. Let's start with buying an option. When you buy an option, you pay money up front, called a premium. You're hoping the stock price goes your way. If you buy a call option, you want the stock to go up. If you buy a put option, you want the stock to go down. If the stock doesn't move the way you want, you lose the money you paid. So your risk is just the premium. Now let's talk about selling an option. When you sell an option, you get paid the premium up front, but you're making a promise. If you sell a call option, you promise to sell your shares at a certain price called the strike price, if the buyer wants them. If you sell a put option, you promise to buy the shares at a certain price if the buyer wants to sell. Selling options is like being the insurance company. You collect the money, the premium, but you might have to buy the shares if the price falls below the strike price. Let's make it a little simpler. Buying options is like buying a lottery ticket. You pay money for a chance at a big win, but you could lose the ticket cost. Selling options is like selling the lottery ticket to someone else. You keep the money up front, but if they win, you have to pay up. So that's basically it. Buying options is placing the bet. Selling options is taking the bet. Both can make money, but they have different risk and rewards. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment with your questions, and thanks for hanging out today. Subscribe for simple trading tips, and we'll see you next time.